Hello my fellow alchemists! Today we are going to synthesize sodium nitrate using sodium bicarbonate and nitric acid. Here is the chemical structure of sodium nitrate. It's a white water-soluble compound. Because it's a powerful oxidant, it reacts vigorously with reducing agents and can even cause fires and explosions. Sodium nitrate has a ton of uses across many industries. For example, it's used as a fertilizer to boost nitrogen levels in the soil. In the food industry, it acts as an additive known as E251, working as both a preservative and a flavor enhancer. The process to make this compound is actually very easy. We just need 5 grams of sodium bicarbonate and 6 milliliters of 55% nitric acid. The first step is to pour 40 milliliters of distilled water into a beaker containing our sodium bicarbonate. Our initial goal is to completely dissolve the bicarbonate in the water. To speed this process up, we can place the beaker on a hot plate and stir it. Once the sodium bicarbonate is completely dissolved, we just need to pour the nitric acid into the solution. This addition must be done very slowly to avoid any accidents. You will immediately notice some bubbles forming in the solution. This happens because carbon dioxide is forming and escaping, which gives us that nice effervescence. The chemical reaction happening here is as follows. 1 mole of sodium bicarbonate reacts with 1 mole of nitric acid to form 1 mole of sodium nitrate, 1 mole of carbon dioxide, and 1 mole of water. When the reaction is complete, our final step is to evaporate the water from the solution. So, we need to heat the solution until it evaporates. After a while, all the water is gone, leaving a white powder at the bottom of the beaker. I left the beaker on the hot plate just a little bit longer to ensure the powder was completely dry. And then we collect our final product. The yield of this reaction was 99.8%, giving us a final mass of 5.04 grams of sodium nitrate. This is an expected result because the reaction is very straightforward. It would honestly be a surprise if the yield were less than 90%. And well, that's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment, and hit that like button for more alchemy, chemistry.